In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to automatically bypass CAPTCHA verification on your iPhone. This enhances user experience by eliminating the interruptions caused by these challenges, allowing for smoother and faster access to websites and services. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, tap right here on your Apple ID profile. Head to Password and Security. You will then navigate onto the last option of automatic verification. Make sure to turn this option on. When enabled, CAPTCHAs in apps and on the web will be automatically and privately verified on your device and account. This feature is particularly beneficial for users with disabilities or those who find CAPTCHAs difficult or frustrating to solve, ensuring a more seamless and accessible browsing experience. That's how easy it is to auto-bypass CAPTCHA on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.